All right, boys and girls, here we go. We are on day 12 of May Daily Math, cruising right along. Here we go. Number one, it says 27 of the barn windows above are being replaced. How many windows will not be replaced? So we had 46 windows total on the barn. Now, number one, it is saying that 27 of the barn windows are being replaced. So if we had 46, okay, and we're replacing 27, well, that would mean whatever's left over would not be replaced. So here we go. 6 minus 7, can't do it. More on the floor, borrow from next door. Okay, so 16 minus 7, now we can. That's a 9. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So there we go. 19 windows will not be replaced. Number two, 49 divided by something equals 7. There we go with our fast ones. There's 7 and 7. 7 times 7 is 49. Multiplication search. Can you find 6 equations? Write them here. All right, I like this one last time. So I'm going to do this again. This was a lot of fun. We got 6, 4, 24, 2. There's a 2 underneath that, and then a 4. Whoop, and 42 under that. Over here we have a 7 under the 6. 5, 35, 4, 3, 2, 6, and 24, 8, 18, and 7. All right, so number one has already been done for us, okay? And that was 6 times 4 equals 24. All right, let's find the second one. I'm going to go right behind the 24 here, and I'm going to say 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? And let's do another one. Let's go, how about this one? 7 times 5 equals 35. Fourth one here. Let's go 6 times 7 is 42. Yeah, just going to keep going here, right? And number 5, let's get another one here. Let's go 3 times 2 is 6. All right, and we got another one in here. And let's see here. Can we see it? Can you find it? This one always stumps me. I always get these and I'm like, oh man, where's that last one? And if you remember last time, we had to look diagonally, okay? Do you see it now, looking diagonally? Do ya? Yeah, another diagonal. 6 times 3 is 18. Way to go. Way to not give up. That's wonderful. All right. Number 4. This says count by threes, start at 600. So here is 600, and it says count by 3. So 603, 606, 609, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 612, and then we go down one, 615, 618, 621, 624, 627. So if you look at it, it's really just counting by threes, right? So there's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. What would the next one be? Yeah. Count it out to 30, right? 630. Woohoo! Okay. Number 5, it's asking us to write the related division equation for each one above. So we're going to flip-flop them all around here, right? So number 1, 6 times 4 is 24. Well, that's now going to be 24 divided by either 6 or 4 equals the other one. Number 2, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. The third one is 35 divided by 7 equals 5. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So if they're switched around a little bit, you know, the 3's there, the 6's there, whatever, it's all the same thing. All right. Boys, girls, see you tomorrow for day 13. Thank you.